Today I'm going to restore a hammer, so without any further ado, let's get into the project. So this is all done. It's starting to look really nice. A wire wheel and a drill does a really quick job of removing all the rust. So now we just need to remove the old paint, quite beaten up. Let's restore the handle and figure out how I'm going to attach it together. So now it's just ready for the finishing process. It's starting to look really nice. I'm going to put it on my tool. I'm just going to put it right up here. So it's going to look really nice on the wall. So I'm just going to use the olive oil trick. So let's do that. Let's finish it. Hope you enjoyed the video of me restoring this hammer, but don't go yet. I've got a little challenge for you. If you haven't already, please subscribe, ring the notifications button, and click the thumbs up button. It helps me greatly. Also, if you like this restoration project, then you'll probably love this restoration playlist, which I have up here, which I restored a chisel and 2 other tools. So, thanks for watching. And I'll see you back next week where I make a magnifying glass holder mostly out of these woods.